SM Mega Mall. Gusto kong kumain ng ano. Uy, hindi pa ako nakapag-perfume. So, mayroong tester. Doon na lang ako mag-spray ng cologne. Lakata. Oh my God! So many good stuffs! Sana I ipon more money. Hindi ko babalik ako sa Din Tai Fung just for the Xiaolong Bao. So guys, nakabilis na ng Charles and Keith. They are financially irresponsible. Ako wala pa. I'm not gonna overspend.
Kami sa marketing management. Muna mga gasto doon.
Hindi. Also, one reason, nursing kasi ako because dapat need lang is black lang. Black bag only. Lady? So, this is our room, guys, before we go. And ito lang yung view. Not really giving. But like, me, I'm giving. Ah! Wala kami nag-react home. Hate you guys.
Ayala ta kakaroon.
We're checking out na, guys. Hi! We have now arrived in Soler! So we have now arrived in our room. OMG, it's giving! Wow. I want you guys to see the view. This is the view. I-post ko sa YouTube, baladay. Bathroom. Oopsie. So guys, nakarating na kami sa Soler. Wait, balik. So right now, nag-isip kami kung ano yung dadalhin. So, for me, yung dadalhin ko,
First,
the papers, the envelopes. Ano sa'yo? Sorry ako. I look so giving right now. Especially with my bronzy look. So right now, ito-trim ko lang yung hair ko. Parang binaband ko yung hair ko para mas maganda siya mamaya. So I just use a boar brush. Guys, so we just took pictures. So we need to na lang matapos yung because I have to get those pictures before it gets edited again. Oh my goodness. So pretty here. Feeling ko papagalitan ako ni mommy kasi I've been showing boobs a lot lately. So guys, ginamit ko yung Kiko Milano na binili ko kanina. Looks glossy pa rin. But like, I feel like it's too light. But like, it's cute. Feeling. So we're currently at Rockwell. The boat are doing here. Pero, I don't think I'm gonna eat dinner yet. Because, sobrang gusto ko pa kanina saan kami kumain. Hi guys, so we just finished. Tour. So we just finished weekly gala here in Rockwell. And I'm craving for McDo. Yun lang yung afford ko.
meron na lang
guys, na-try nila akong na-try nila akong ibudol sa NARS. You remind me of someone. Joke lang. Na-try nila ang ibudol ako sa NARS concealer. But like, yeah, it's giving. Pero I don't want to overspend. Kasi nag-overspend na ako ng various types, especially on the Bath and Body Works. So maybe next time na lang. So it's gonna make me more inspired that may next time pa. So, G London. Next time ko na lang bilhin yun. I feel like my concealer is still doing good and meron pa naman akong concealer. So, so good. Let's go. Let's go find a fast food. Kasi feeling namin nag-overspend na kami. Hi guys! It's our last full day here in Manila, and if you don't know, na-cancel po ako nung nasa Iloilo ko. And right now, it's my second time getting cancelled again. I mean, I'm gonna get cancelled later because I'm gonna be meeting Cyril Manabat today. So if you don't know how I got cancelled, tingnan nyo lang sa Facebook ko kung paano ko na-cancel. So yeah, see you guys later. We're currently at Taxi, just going to drink coffee while waiting for Cyril, who is now coming. So we bought like tops kanina sa Greenbelt or Glorieta, like 100 pesos tops. And then pumunta kami ng Love Bonito. For how much?
2,000!
Yeah, 1K for me. Pero sila may mga H&M sila. Mga financially irresponsible.
Marketing management student.
Anyway, got myself a Love Bonito. I'm so excited. Tapos naka-sale pa siya. It's really worth it. It's a steal.
Sky is what?
Time to get cancelled!
Pinawagan mo sa buhay.
Of course! Slay. Pero mas slay ako. Thumbs up kasi. Thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Ano ako? Ano ako?
Kita mo yung gamit.
Before Vikings! Before Vikings!
Kamama.
Thumbs up! Guys, may nagpa-picture. Tapos kami. Slay ka talaga, sis. Slay ka talaga. Ah, slay. After Vikings, thumbs up pa rin.
Kala ko may kumakaway, kamay pala natin yung kumakaway.
Asa diri lang pala sa yanay na yun. Asa diri lang. Ay,
Hater, basher, basher.
nonsense. Kagos in the stomach when you walk in.
What's up? What's up?
Gotta keep up with me. I got some young energy. Hi guys, good morning. We're gonna go home na later. And I realized Okay din pala ako sa mga brown colors. You know what I mean? But like, feeling ko, the brown color is suitable for this vibe or ambience. Kasi pag sa school, feeling ko ang pangit ko pag naka-brown. You get me? Yeah, you get me. This matcha is so good. I'm having Solaire. I think I'm having Vietnamese. Today I'm having Vietnamese coffee. What about you? Tastes like me. Plastic. Charot. Ang mga gulong real na matcha, no? Pero gusto ko medyo sweet. Pero like, I love it. Sweet na. I love it. I'm just not in the mood to drink or eat matcha right now because it's so cold. It's too cold. So, black girly, come to stay in red. This is the bag that Robbie brought. Bought. Sorry, nagkamali lang. Live.
ASMR.
Swipe to see real-time performance. No thanks. So I got a perfume dessert.